This video tutorial I will explain how to apply AroundAdvice using regular expression method point cut advisor and default advisor auto proxy creator. Here I have defined the class employee service. It has three methods: get employee name, get employee age, and get employee address. Here I have defined the class customer service. It has three methods: get customer name, get customer age, and get customer address. Here I have defined the class AroundAdvice, which implements method interceptor interface and provide implementation of invoke method. We will see how to apply AroundAdvice only for get employee age method and get customer age method. This is a Spring configuration file. Here I have created bean for employee service class, customer service class, AroundAdvice class, and regular expression method point cut advisor class. Here I have mentioned AroundAdvice should be applied to the methods which contain age word. And here I have created bean for DefaultAdvisorAutoProxyCreator. DefaultAdvisorAutoProxyCreator is extremely powerful. If any of the bean matching with this advisor, then it will automatically create proxy for that beans. Here I have defined the class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file using getBean method of application context object, getting employee service object from Spring container, and calling get employee name method, get employee age method, get employee address method. Here I am getting customer service bean from Spring container and calling get customer name method, get customer age method, and get customer address method. Here you can see the output, and here you can see AroundAdvice is applied for get employee age method and get customer age method, and it is not applied for other methods. You can find source code for each example in my blog, and you can find a playlist for each topic in this playlist link. From this video description, you can get these links. Please check the description of this video.